Hi guys! Kamusta kayong lahat? And gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo. Walang sawang panonood sa aking mga video guys. And of course, dito dinodocument ko ang aking journey, ang aking life dito sa aking YTC guys. And gusto kong unang pasalamatan kayong lahat na nanonood sa aking video. And please do me a favor guys to please don't skip the ads dahil alam nyo na it's very important sa aming mga YouTubers. And by the way guys, ang video na ito is all about my family bonding guys. So ngayong araw guys, nandito kami sa London Beach Resort. And ito yung isa sa fine resort dito sa General Santos City guys. So me and my family spent time here para mag-relax. As you all know guys, galing kami sa Visayas, but hindi lahat ng mga kapatid ko or ng family ko is nakasama doon. Kaya bumabawi ako sa kanila, doon sa mga pamilya ko na hindi nakasama sa aming travel sa Visayas guys. So dito kami nag banding lahat sa London Beach. And of course guys, itong beach na ito is isa sa mga dinadayo ng mga tao. Actually, ilang beach resort ang meron dito, but itong London is one of the top choice ng mga tourist guys or ng mga locals na gustong mag swimming. So itong London Beach guys, gusto namin dito kasi medyo white sand and medyo mabato sa ibang side, pero in total is okay naman siya guys. And of course, ang cottage is affordable and ang kanilang facilities okay naman guys. So ayan nga guys, no, happy yung mga kids. And itong banding na ito is hindi namin lagi ginagawa kasi itong place na ito is quite far from our place. So I think it takes 2 hours, almost 2 hours ang biyahe dito guys bago kami makarating dito sa General Santos. And by the way guys, itong place pala na itong General Santos is a tuna capital of the Philippines. And para doon sa mga friend ko na gustong pumunta dito, meron din kami ditong mga magagandang tourist spot dito sa Suksargen area guys. And isa na yan doon guys, ang Lake Cebu, which is meron doong 7 falls and zipline. And aside from that, marami pa ring ibang area guys na hindi pa masyadong na i-explore, pero pupuntahan namin yan sa next na vacation ko. After this kasi guys is hindi ako magtatagal dito sa bakasyon sa Pilipinas, so babalik pa ako ng Hong Kong. But surely I can assure you that na once I come back sa next vacation ko guys is i-share ko sa inyo ang iba pang mga tourist destination dito sa Suksargen. And of course yung Punta Isla and yung iba pa sa Pulumulok area guys. And basta guys, yun, i-share ko yun sa inyo. But for now, i-focus muna natin dito sa London Beach Resort. By the way guys, as I mentioned, hindi lang ito ang beach dito, marami pang iba. But tulad nga na nasabi ko, isa ito sa pinaka-fine na beach resort dito sa General Santos City guys. So ayan, and itong beach na ito is meron mga cottages, meron din ditong pwede ka rin mag-overnight, depends sa cost ng cottage na kukuhanin nyo guys. So but kami dito lang kami sa open cottage, which is more affordable dahil hindi naman kami mag-overnight guys. So ayan na guys, ito yung aming banding dito ng family ko sa London Beach Resort. Ayan, as you notice, all the kids are very happy and they enjoying their holidays. And this is a family day. Of course, ang mga chikiting is nag-i-enjoy talaga ng sobra. So ayan nga guys, ako naman ang bibida ngayon at magfe-feeling imot-imot muna ako. Pagbigyan nyo natin minsan lang. Yan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the the night. Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky. Just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night. Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky. Just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night. Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky. Just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So yan na nga guys, no, wala nang sasaya pa sa aking nararamdaman na makita ko ang aking family na masaya. So sana guys, next time na mayroon kaming outing, sana sumama na si tatay kasi kahit anong mga lakarin, basta ganito, hindi talaga namin mapapasama si tatay. Talagang ayaw niya. So wala kaming magagawa kasi iniisip niya yung mga alagang hayop doon sa bahay at ang bahay walang tatao guys. So but masaya na rin yun sa amin na nakikita niya kaming masaya guys. So ayan. So by the way guys, malapit na yung time, malapit na kaming umuwi. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo for tuning in and patuloy na pagsuporta nyo sa aking channels and of course patuloy nyong panonood from the day 1 ng aking mga videos na na-upload and of course guys, marami pa akong i-share sa inyo in the futures and i-share ko sa inyo ang aking journey, ang mga places na napupuntahan ko at pupuntahan ko pa guys. So ayan, special thanks sa aking kapatid kay kuya na pumayag na gamitin namin ang sasakyan niya guys. So thank you so much kuya and thank you so much sa aking mga viewers and sa aking mga followers and subscribers na paulit-ulit na binibisita ang aking channel guys. Thank you so much and ayan na guys, time to go home na. So ito yung London Beach Resort. Ang ganda dito guys. I highly recommend sa inyo kung gusto niyo mag-outing dito sa General Santos City. This is one of the fine beach na pwede nyong puntahan guys kasama ng inyong family. So maganda rin dito mag-overnight. So thank you so much guys. Once again, thank you. See you in my next video.